How to remove my phone number from Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and want to learn how to remove your phone number from it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the bottom right here. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find privacy and security right here. Select it. Then here you can find phone number just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find who can see my phone number. Now one thing to remember, you cannot simply remove your phone number, so you need to just hide it from other persons and it will not appear with other person. Now simply tap on to nobody just like this, and now you can see nobody will see your phone number, and simply by doing this your phone number will be hidden. Now you need to know and understand that there is no any built-in feature to remove phone number from Telegram. So this is one of the trick that you can just hide your phone number from others. And that's it. This is how you can remove your phone number from Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.